Let's move ahead towards our next drawing. Here we are starting by making a cute pig. First we are making the face of the pig and then we are drawing the details like eyes, nose, hands and then the body. Let's move ahead towards our next drawing. Here we are making a bird which is upside down. Starting with the face of the bird, we will draw the details like eyes, beak and the wings and it's ready. Let's move ahead towards our next drawing. Here we are making drawing of a cute seal. First we are starting with making the body and then we are going to draw the details. Let's move ahead. Here we are using some number technique. We are making 3 number 4 times which are horizontally made and then we are making these figures and giving them different and cute expressions. Now we are detailing it with black marker only and now you can see our bones are ready. And then we are highlighting with some color sketch pens and now you can see they are looking more good and beautiful. Thanks for watching.